All right, so welcome again to Military Guna TV. Thank you very much for joining me again. And we'll have some news. We have some news. We have some news. But before we get into the news, all right, you know what? Let me give you a tip of the iceberg. Paul Hall, 4-year contract. Does that say anything? Before we get into the news, I would really appreciate it. No, I want to say thanks first to all those who continue to support the channel. Really appreciate it. We're growing a platform here to cover all Jamaican football, local league, players overseas, players in all different walks of Europe. We're covering all of them. The Premier League, Belgium, Russian league. That is Shamar Nicholson. Definitely, we're covering all and every single Jamaican player if we can, as best as we can, and wherever they are playing football, because that is the aim. We want to cover them. We want to let them know that we are supporting them, and we want to build this platform to become one of the top news outlet for Jamaican football. Let's wipe the mainstream media off the market, the TVJs and the CVM, because they don't cover the real aspects of football. They don't do that. We want to become the Jamaican, let's become the Jamaican top sports brand. Let's become that, where we can have pundits and those things. That is the aim. That is the aim of Military Guna TV. That is the aim, to become the top football platform in Jamaica, covering the JPL, covering everything has to do with Jamaican football. So the only way I can reach that level is for you guys to hit that like button and subscribe. Subscribe account. My YouTube analytics is telling me that only 25% of my viewers are subscribers. I would really to convert that 25 into 75. I would really want to convert it to that. But it boils down to you guys. Only you can do it by hitting that subscribe button and definitely hitting the like button to help me get into the YouTube algorithm. We want to make this platform big. We want to make it great. And if you don't like something, please come in the comment section and tell me. If you don't like it, come in my inbox, on my Instagram, my Twitter, all those inbox. Please come inside of that and tell me what you don't like so I can fix it, so that you can hit the subscribe button. You can hit the like button when we get better, because we're here to grow. We're here to grow together. Let's get into the details. So, the Reggae Boyz head coach, Paul Hall, according to sources, close to the camp of the Reggae Boy coach Paul Hall, not his camp, but the JFF camp specifically. Reports coming out now, as you can see right here, is that Coach Paul Hall is on the verge of signing a 4-year contract with the Reggae Boyz, which will take him with JFF to become the head coach of the Reggae Boyz, which will take him up to the next World Cup campaign. What does that mean? It means a whole lot of ripple effect coming in effect right now. For example, we have seen interviews with him speaking about his philosophy, his identity, his ideology, what he wants to impart. But is this a good measure put in place by the JFF by appointing Paul Hall? Is this so? 5 games under Paul Hall, 1 draw, 4 losses. Is that really good? Is that really good? Good. Most people would say, no, that's not good enough. Most people would say, no, that is not good enough. Now, let me read the reports. According to information coming from the JFF, Paul Hall will be given a future full-time job as the head coach of the Jamaican national team. It is stated that he will sign a 4-year contract, which will take him up to the next World Cup qualifier campaign. Full confirmation pending. I want to reemphasize on that part, people. Full confirmation pending. Now, let me get into the details of what I was speaking about. Now, is this a good appointment? I already mentioned the win ratio, which is there's none. A draw ratio of 1 and 4 losses out of the 5 games I've played so far. But would this really be a good appointment? According to the players who are playing for on the Paul Hall right now, they are saying that they have seen things move in the right direction. They're saying that the club, the team itself is going in the right direction. What do they mean by that? The team is going in the right direction. Let me make it clear. Now, Leon Bailey did an interview and speaking about how the ego is ego is going down in the squad. we're playing good football. We're playing like we want to play football. He's saying that the project is willing to buy into that project that has been presented. Paul Hall, even Ravel Morrison said the same thing. So we have seen a few players now coming out, the top big brand name players of the Reggae Boyz squad coming out and stating that they like the direction where things is going. But does that warrant more than enough for them to give him that job just by the big name players saying that the team is moving in the right direction? Does that warrant that new contract? A lot of people would say Rome was not built in one day. Is that so? Was Rome built in one day? The problem I'm having is this. Are the Reggae Boy fans or the Jamaican football fans willing to be patient and wait until this project that Paul Hall wants to implement takes off to the right direction? Does the Reggae Boy fans have that patience? For me, I highly doubt most of them do. I know a few of them who are willing to wait. I'm a patient person. I support Arsenal, so you must know that I'm quite patient. But anyways, in that case, we should also bear in mind that there might be a few losses on the path of becoming that top team. We have already got information from the technical staff that Paul Hall has given them a document, given the technical committee a document of his philosophy, what he wants from the players, what he's expecting from the players, go straight down to the grassroots level. So he's already coming in and changing the mentality and changing a few aspects. He also giving the local players the opportunity to take that stage and stake a claim. He said it openly and boldly. He said, this is what he said. I want to give players the opportunity. Football is a game of chances. I want to give players a chance because football is a game of chances. When I give you a chance, I want to take that chance and keep the next player out of the squad. That is unquote. That is what was said by Paul Hall. So it's quite interesting the direction it is going. We are losing right now. We don't look as a team that will win any game soon, but it's quite clear on the pitch that things are changing. How we're playing will look a bit more like a team who wants to play football, i.e. said by Leon Bailey. We look like that. That's how we look right now. And what I'm seeing right now, I do believe, from my perspective, what I'm seeing, I do understand the direction that the team is going and what the nation is going in regards to going the way with Paul Hall, trying to restart. And also, I do understand with the fans who would say we have been trying to build for so long and nothing's happening. Now, here comes a person who comes with an ideology. He also comes with his own philosophy. So he's bringing a lot of things to the table. He's bringing so much things to the table. And evidently, as early as possible, as 5 games in, even though we haven't gotten the best of the results, the players are buying into the philosophy. The camp looks better. The players look happy. The players are playing with a smile. The players enjoy playing under this coach. What does that mean? If the players are buying into it, why can't the fans buy into it? This is more than enough time. This is more than enough reason for the JFF and the technical committee, JFF and their technical committee, to sign off on that contract, giving Paul Hall that 4-year deal, as according to information that's coming out from the JFF. Will it happen? Do you see this as a good move by the JFF? Do you think it's too early to make that move? Would you think that giving Paul Hall until the Nation League to solidify himself, solidify his ideology onto the team as the best way possible to give him a proper judge as to how or the direction that the team is going? What do you think? What do you think? Tell me what you think. I won't go any further, but I want you guys to tell me what you think. And for my perspective, I want you guys to look into what I'm saying in regards to the team and what the players are saying, because it's really, really important in what the players are saying. Listen to what the noise that is coming out of the dressing room. Listen to the noise that's coming out of the dressing room, because these are normally the finer details that highlights if there's issues or if things are going good. Leon Billy spoke, Ravel Morrison spoke, Javian Brown spoke, Mariapa spoke. So much players who have spoke about the situation, and definitely ego and the will to play are big factors in what they're speaking about. People, I won't go any further. Please, I would really wish if I could get 500 likes. 500 likes. So if you don't see, if you see the video and the video is at 30 likes, make it 31, 32, 33, and counting. So once you see the video, hit that like button and keep the count going. Let's see if I can reach 500 likes. That is a like target. I'm not even sure if anyone will be at the end of this video. But anyways, if you're here and you like this video, also check out these videos as well and this video. So until next time, people. Oh, and subscribe. But until next time, people, Military Guna TV, tell me what you think about it. Do you believe Paul Hall should get this job at full-time, or we should wait until after the Nation League? Until next time, people, Military Guna TV, we are out. Boom. Where's the broadcast? Oh, yeah, just found it.